Hi. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? It looks okay, I guess. I got a cut, as you could tell. Oh, speaking of looking fresh, good Tony Pool. Bart Trek Tony Pool. I got a haircut. And I gotta be real, this is not what I asked for. I asked for something similar to this. I showed him my driver's license photo, which is sort of like this, but not up. And he started asking me a lot of questions that I don't know the answer to because I don't know anything about hair. And then he kind of gave me the Nintendo YouTuber look. He pulled it up way higher than I asked for, and I immediately, whenever, you know, I paid and everything, got in the car, and my hair was like, I mean, it was up even higher than it is right now, and I was like, oh shit, I look like Nintendo. Oh shit, not that Nintendo looks bad, but that's not my look. That's not my vibe. I say as I wear, retro gaming t-shirt surrounded by retro games and action figures, and it's not my vibe, copium. But anyways, I got my hair cut. It was time to get my hair cut. It was time to get my hair cut a while ago, and I was still fighting with it. So thank you for saying it looks good. Thank you for saying it looks nice. I feel how I always feel when I get my hair cut. And maybe some of you out there can relate to this. If you're a male in your late 20s or 30s or what have you, which is every time I get my hair cut, I go, oh, that's where my hairline's at now? Oh no. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Every time I get my hair cut, I go, I should just shave my whole head. I should just go bald. I am bald. I'm bald right now. I'm bald. That happens every time I get my hair cut, and no different this time. But I think it looks good. It also, you know, they put the spray in it to style it and everything, which makes it greasier than it normally would be, so it makes it look thinner than it normally is. But we're gonna go no hat today, and mods, if we get any comments about my hairline, I'm gonna need you to nuke those before I see those, or I'm shaving my whole head, okay? I'm telling you straight up. And I'm like, you know, sending a picture to, send a nice picture to grandma. She's going, oh, it looks so good. Send a picture, you know, to my friends to talk about, again, the Nintendo YouTuber haircut aspect of it. And all my friends were like, yeah, dude, your hairline still looks great. Like, unprompted, my friends are like, yeah, you know, but it looks good because you pull it up and you've got such a good hairline that it looks good. I'm like, you're fucking lying to me. No. You wouldn't bring that up. You wouldn't bring that up unless the opposite was true. You're lying. So I wear a hat on stream all the time because I don't like messing with my hair. It takes forever to get my hair in a spot that I even remotely like it, and then I put the headphones on and it fucks it all up anyways. But we're going hatless today. So how often do you get your hair cut? I usually, last haircut was in October. I get it cut pretty much every 6 months, I think. God, that's true, isn't it? I get it cut in the spring, and then I get it cut in the fall. So, I don't like having long hair, but it's always a case of like, what do I hate more, long hair or the barbershop? The answer is the barbershop. Not that the barbershop I go to is bad. It's really great. But I hate barbershop. I just hate all of it. I hate strangers touching me. I got a real problem with that. The buzzer, the razor, what do you call it? The clippers like overstim me. I can't like handle them. I gotta like lock in to handle that shit. I hate the like etiquette. The like, okay, you gotta watch for the other people coming in, and then you gotta know your place. You gotta know that you're next. So that happened to me today, where a bunch of boomers kept taking my place because I wasn't like, I guess assertive enough. I don't know. I went, okay, I'm ahead of these guys. I'm ahead of all these old guys. And then they would go over to the cash register and pay. I go to like a real old style barbershop that I've been going to since I was a kid. And they'd go over to pay, and I'd get up, and by the time I'd get, I'm not 95 years old. It takes me about 1 second to get up. I'd get up, and there'd already be an old fucker over there at the chair. And it's like, you asshole, I watched you come in here. I'm ahead of you, but I'm not. What am I going to do? Start a fight in the barbershop? What am I going to do? Whatever, let Grandpa get his hair. He's dying sooner than I will, so let him get his hair cut sooner than me. Until finally the barber like told a guy like, no, it's not, it's his turn, and pointed to me. And that's when I got my hair cut. And barber was a nice guy. Very popular guy. Cause he's kind of like the best guy there, I guess. He's the only black guy there. And so like everyone wants to use him. I don't care, because I'm getting the Nintendo YouTuber haircut. Anyone can do that, but I understand that, like, you kind of want people who know your hair to do your hair. You know what I mean? I don't care. I'm getting the Nintendo cut. Everyone can do that. So, but yeah, he did great. It was great. I like it. I just it's just a little too Nintendo YouTuber for me, and I'm just reckoning with I'm 27 years old, I feel like anyone who would make like where's your hairline kind of comment is a child, and to them I would say it'll happen to you. It'll happen to you. It will happen to you. Anyways, I go to my haircut knowing that it'll look terrible for like 2 days until it grows out a little. That's true. It does always look better like a week later, doesn't it? Did your grandma think you were Scott the Woz? No. She didn't watch Scott the Woz. She's a big Pro Jared fan. Uh-oh. Grandma, what pictures did you send, Grandma? What the hell? What's this picture on your phone, Grandma? What's this fucked up looking mushroom picture on your phone? But yeah, I get my hair cut like every 6 months. It's just, God, I hate the barbershop. I just hate that whole thing. I should just learn to cut my own hair. But, as long as my hair never gets, I don't, if you go back in time, if you find your way over on the FLG VOD channel, you go back to the oldest VOD, you can see me with my longest hair. After high school, I didn't cut my hair for 2 years, year and a half, somewhere around there. So I had shoulder length hair, and terrible. I can't do long hair. I can't pull off long hair. It's too, the edges of it, because I got a fucked up head. Okay, I got a real dented ass head. So when it gets long, all of the hair just doesn't sit right, and then it's all fucked up at the bottom, and I hate having long hair, and it was getting real long this time, and I really wanted to get it cut, but my hatred of the barbershop kept winning until, do you guys have this thing where anxiety or whatever takes hold, and you put things off, and then finally you just enter a fuck it mode. You just enter a mental flush. fuck it mode and you can achieve anything. That's what happened to me. I kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. And then this week I entered fuck it mode. And I was like, I just got to get my hair cut. I just got to get this done. So, but pretty good. I love my barber. I love my barber shop. Again, been going there since I was a kid. It used to be, I've been going there since I was a kid, and my dad's been going there, I think, since he was at least a teenager. It used to be run by two old guys named Owen and Bernie, and they used to just talk about football and golf. And then they retired. I think they're dead. I think both of them are dead now. But they retired and sold it to this one woman who has turned it into like a franchise and everything, and added more than just 2 chairs to it. But it's cool. It's nice, but it's better to go. I live in a college town. It's better to go when students aren't there, man. The only people you got to contend with then are the old people. But when students are back, and this weekend it's like they're doing like a football game this weekend and everything. So people are coming into town, people are getting haircuts, people are trying to clean up. It becomes nuts. It was crazy in there. Oh my god. Did you beat it? Pelamoon, thank you for the raid. Did you beat it? Did you get your progress back? Mikey, have you seen this John? Yeah, my grandma's always showing me JonTron, but never any videos of his reviews. The only JonTron video she ever shows me is called JonTron's thoughts on black people. And I'm like, Grandma, this isn't, this isn't a good one. No. Grandma, bad? My grandma, just recently, has been getting really into, the completionist. I don't know where I'm going with this one. I'm gonna drop that one. Kept putting off my haircut because I had to find a new barber since the breakup happened. And also every time I was like, it's, oh, wait, sorry, the 7TV emote fucked this up. It's time to cut it. A girl would compliment, I would keep, oh, this guy. Okay, your problem's you're listening to the girls. 1. Dog. I'm gonna take that as a no. Well, lesson learned. You know, now you know to use the song, and it won't happen again. And really, you did me a great service, because when I play Majora's Mask on stream, now I'll know to use the song. If that, I will tell you, if that happened to me, if what happened to you on your stream happened to me on mine, that game would be gone. I would go, this is the worst Zelda game, never touch it again. Thank you, bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, not playing this ever again, bye-bye. Which I think is maybe part of the reason why people do have kind of mixed feelings about Majora's Mask. But in recent years, it's been much higher praised, but... Expect it, but I'm gonna go punch a tree. This guy's gonna go play Minecraft? What did Nintendo make that game? Oh, the JonTron thing? Yeah, that was a DSiWare game. That's a if you didn't get that one on your DSi yet, it's over. The servers are shut down now. Thank you again for the raid, Pelly. It only resets the previous 3-day cycle from what I found. Okay, so all right, that's not that bad. It's not a, well, yeah, it's not a full reset or anything. I would still, again, if that happened to me, I would be off. All right, bye-bye. Never playing this again. Bye-bye. That would be an immediate stream ender, game ender. I would not play that again. I'm too old for that. I'm too brain rotted. Speaking of brain rot, we're gonna be watching in just a minute. We're gonna be watching the Joker 2 trailer. Who's excited? Joker, what is it? Joker Part 2 or something. The trailer finally came out. I'm a big Joker head. You know, I'm a big Batman head. I'm a big Joker head. So we're going to be doing a live reaction to the trailer. In fact, you guys want to do it now? How many of you guys who here saw Joker and liked it? Who here saw Joker and didn't like it? Fully ado. Okay. I saw Joker and didn't like it. I also saw Joker and didn't like it. But I think this is gonna it's a musical. Joker Part 2 is a musical, and I think that's gonna be fun. I think that's gonna be interesting. And I'm excited to see what it's gonna be. I haven't seen this trailer yet, but I guess there's a song in the trailer. I don't know what the song is. I gotta, it's Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga's in the movie. Maybe it's a Lady Gaga song. That would be cool. But you guys just want to get into it? You guys want to watch the trailer? Because I'm sure I'll have a lot to talk about after the trailer. Let's get in there. This is Joker Part 2 live reaction. Let's check out the trailer for, is this right? Do I have this right? Yeah. Okay. This is the trailer for Joker. Was it Joker 2? Joker 2, The Joke's on You.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, so there's the song. Okay, so you know it's a musical.
I wanna play with you, Walter, we will be. A little battling is fun when you're with me, I love it. Brushing my teeth just ain't the same without a gun. And Batman, when it's crime, if it's not crazy, it's not fun. Joe, oh, 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 I'll hit him hard, then show him my card. Joe, oh, 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 I'll hit him hard, then show him my card. Can't read my, now he can read my Joker face.
He's gonna kill somebody.
Oh, Batman's gonna be in the movie. Okay, that's. I wonder if that ties into the James Gunn DC universe.
Kill somebody.
Joker face, Joker face. Joker face.
Oh my God,
Joker face.
dude! I knew Todd Phillips was crazy, but I didn't know you put that in there. Do you think Batman will get a verse? Nice, dude. All right, well, that was.
Who are they?
Okay, that was the Joker 2 trailer. Who is the new actor for Joker? That's a good question. I think maybe that was that Heath? Did they use archive footage of Heath? Can't believe they didn't even show Harley. Dude, that's a good point. Where was Harley Quinn in that? Where was Harley Quinn in that? Oh, you know what? I don't think that was the trailer. I think that was I don't think that was the trailer. I think that was a fan trailer. Hold on. I think this is the trailer. I think this one's the trailer. Okay. All right. This one I think does have Harley in it. So I think this is the trailer. The thumbnail had Harley in it. So this is the trailer. Okay, I think that's Harley.
From the beginning, no one even wanted me. I didn't have any friends and I got kind of mean. I'm sorry. Accidentally, I fell into a vat of chemical waste. I became the biggest bitch that Gotham's ever seen.
Whoa, can she say that?
I'm looking hot, used to be bad, but I'm not. I'm looking hot, used to be bad, but I'm not. Oh my, yes, I love my Joker face.
Is she Harley or is she Joker? I think that's gonna be the fun part of the movie. You gotta figure it out.
Joker face, Joker face. Joker face, Joker face. I get sick of hiding each and every day. I was dangerous, now I'm harmless criminally. Sucks to be different, people think I have no heart. So I did a few bad things, I deserve a fresh start.
Sorry, that was a sneeze. Okay, a lot of stuff going on. I'm trying to figure out, though. This is kind of like just Harley. Where's the Joker? Like it's like, you know, one was too much Joker, not enough Harley. This one's too much Harley, not enough Joker. Pokemon Red and Blue situation. Oh, you got to see the movie twice. Okay, it's like Clue. Okay. They kind of switch it up in the projection booth.
I won't tell you that I'm
Oh, shit. Okay. Batman is in this movie again.
I'm just trying to keep you from running. Take a gamble just like Kino. Come on, Batman. You know I love you. I want to kiss. I want to kiss. Check out this face, I'm wondrous. Oh my, yes, I love my Joker face.
Which one? Okay, if you guys are going to the theater, which one do you hope you get? Are you hoping you get the Joker, or are you hoping you get Harley? Which movie are you hoping you get? Personally, I'm hoping Joker. Because that's why I paid to see the movie, so gotta go see it twice, yeah. You know what? I don't think this is the trailer. I don't think this is the... Hold on. No, this isn't even the trailer. Wait a second. This isn't the trailer. Hold on. I got this all wrong. I got that... Sorry. I'm getting the wrong links. I got, Tyler. It was supposed to send me the correct links, and he is not. I don't think he's sending me the right links. Hold on. I think this is the right link, though. This looks right. Harley Quinn. Okay. Harley Quinn's in it. I can see from the thumbnail. Joker is in it. So, and there's a lot of music. Okay, so I think this is the one. I think this is the trailer. Okay, I think we're good. I'm fairly certain this one's the trailer.
I tried breaking the rules.
I've tried stealing his jewels.
But he's always on the case.
Okay, so we're getting all the villains.
I got a burned face. Well, we gotta take him down now.
They're doing all of them. Well, you shouldn't call the movie Joker. The movie should be called Rogues Gallery. Is this the Joker trailer?
If I was a psycho, I'd be a scarecrow. I'd wear a potato sack so you would never know. Then I'd give
I
you
don't
nightmares
know
you
if
would
this
never
is the
know.
trailer.
Take a whip
Tyler?
from a toxin or
Dude,
do
is
I
Tyler in the
have
chat?
Yes.
Is this the trailer? Cool, Nien Can's gonna be in the movie. That's good.
With the one and only
That's good.
Raphael.
That's,
Say
you know
hello
what?
to
I wasn't gonna go see it, but now I will.
I bet you wanna know how I got these scars. You know what I am, I'm a dog chasing cars. Throwing Gotham into chaos, showing no regard.
Okay, they got Doug Walker to shoot the movie.
If you need me, here's my card. I'll get my knife, let's put a smile on that face.
I think we're gonna get Melvin, brother of the Joker. I think he's gonna be canon this time.
I have one question. Why so serious? Can't read my, no you can't read my Joker face.
No one messes with Mr. J.
Can't read
I don't think this is the trailer.
no you can't read my Joker face.
No one messes with Mr. J.
Joker face, Joker
I don't think this is the trailer.
Hey,
I thought that was Donald Trump. I gotta be honest. I thought he just ripped up a picture of Donald Trump. Whoa, that got crazy there for a minute. I don't think this is the trailer. Hold on, Tyler. I think Tyler sent me the wrong link again. I don't think this is the right. I think this is the right one. I think this might be the right one. Is Tyler in chat? Tyler, is this the right one? I think this is the right one. I think this is okay. Joker 2, Joker Part 2, A Joke for You, trailer, 4K. Okay, I think this is the right one. Let's check it out. Okay, interesting title card. Interesting way to start the trailer. Okay, well, there's Harley. Okay, so far, so good. This is it. This is the trailer, right? We got Harley. Just show us the... And there's the Joker. Okay. All right, we got the trailer, guys. I like that it's all in my left ear. Interesting choice from Todd Phillips.
I love it.
Oh, no. Sometimes the audio comes in the right channel. Okay, I think this, you remember when The Mummy, Tom Cruise's The Mummy, the trailer came out for that and they screwed up the audio mixing? I think that happened here because the cool song is coming in the left channel. The right channel is the camera audio and they didn't mute that.
We've all got to love somebody. My Joker face, my Joker face.
Is this the trailer or not? Chat, what do you think?
I wanna roll with him, a big joint it will be. Spark it, let it hit me, man, I'm high.
It went back to Leto? Fuck. I did like Joaquin Phoenix. So going back to Jared Leto is kind of fucked, isn't there? Ted, is this the trailer or not?
Well, we're not insane. We've all got to love somebody. We get by, we get by on his Joker face. We've all got
I don't
to
think this
love
is the
somebody.
trailer.
My Joker face, my Joker face. My Joker face, my Joker face.
Okay, Twizzler's product placement, but I don't think this is the trailer. Hold on. Hold on. Is this the trailer? I don't think this is the trailer. Hold on. Hold on. This is the okay. This is the trailer. This is the trailer. We got it. This is the trailer.
Hello there. I got a rap.
Okay, all right. So Joker's gonna, Lady Gaga plays Harley, so she'll sing and Joker will rap, I guess. Is this Joker, or is this one of his goons, or?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Which, Which Batman
Let's fill this rap.
villain is this?
Joker face.
Is this Ra's al Ghul?
I work so hard, you're gonna need some Dramamine. I jump on it, you can call it a trampoline. I'm hotter than a lit mag and some gasoline. I got my rapper costume on, but it ain't Halloween. I'm cover story, you know this is a magazine.
Is this the trailer? I don't think. I mean, maybe they're doing something real meta and avant-garde with it. So maybe this is the trailer.
Hey, honey, do you want to be my Valentine? Open your eyes, read my signs. I'm delicious and hot, like freshly baked apple pies. You might carry my, no, you can't read my Joker face. Go ahead, tell everybody. Carry my, no, you can't read my Joker face. Go ahead, tell everybody. Yeah.
Is this the trailer?
Yeah.
This one doesn't have Harley or Joker.
Steph Brady is a guy. Haters get mad because I'm so fly. So I walked up to Angelina Jolie and asked her if she wanted to go out with me. She said no way. So I stabbed Brad Pitt and walked away. And then she wanted to be my baby, and I said, oh yes. Now guess who?
I mean, this guy's unhinged like the Joker.
I'm eager and overzealous.
Joker before the oh, he tried to be a YouTube rapper before trying to be a stand-up comic. Okay. All right, so it's a prequel. It's a prequel. Okay, it's like The Godfather Part 2. Some of it's a sequel, some of it's a prequel. Okay. You know, the first Joker movie, he ripped off Martin Scorsese. Todd Phillips ripped off Martin Scorsese. Now, Joker 2, he's saying, let me rip off another famous Italian director, Francis Ford Coppola. Okay. I get it.
Left or right? Right and left. Who's that one kid? Brady or Steph? Nah, my rapper name is cheesy. Ever hit him at cause I did Sweezy. Step little Wayne.
I don't think this is the trailer. Hold on. He didn't mention, like, comedy once. That's not the trailer. Hold on. I don't think that's the trailer. This is the trailer, though. I can tell from the thumbnail. I can tell from the title. I can tell from the comments. This is the trailer. Okay, Joker 2. In Love With You. Trailer 4K, 60 FPS. RTX on. All right, let's check it out. Is this the Joker trailer or not? This is the trailer. This is the trailer. Okay. Okay. All right. I like this. Recasting the Joker. Okay. Kind of getting a little political here, but okay. I think Joker 2 is going to be the first apolitical movie. Yeah, are they gonna let this one play in theaters, or is it gonna end up censored? You know, are they gonna let this play in theaters, or is this gonna be a God's Not Dead situation? Now, where's Harley in this? Is Michelle playing Harley? See, we were told it was gonna be Lady Gaga, but maybe they got the information wrong on that. You know, maybe that was just a rumor.
He won't tell you what it costs you, better for you, 'cause he's lying and he's trying to pass healthcare, people dying with big lines arriving. Just like all patients in Canada make you wait before they check you up, make promises.
What's Todd Phillips trying to say with this movie? Because I don't know if I agree.
Now you can trust that Joker face. No you can't trust that Joker face.
Is this the trailer? Dude, that would be something the Joker would get tattooed on his forehead. Government has no heart or soul. That'd be crazy. I don't think this is the trailer. That's not the hold on. That's not the trailer. Sorry. Sorry, we got this all fucked up. Tyler is not allowed to set up these segments anymore. We're gonna killbosh him. I guess I'll have to go back to doing this shit. This was Tyler's one chance to make up for what he did during the Arcade Rodeo streams, and he fucked us up tremendously. That was not the trailer. If you can believe that. Very, very convincing. That was not the trailer. That wasn't the this is the trailer. This is the trailer. It better be, because I'm pissed off right now. This better be the trailer, Tyler.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
This better be the trailer, Tyler.
Ha 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 ha.
This better be the trailer.
Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I wanna hold them with a knife up in their mouth. They think I won't kill them, but they got the doubt. When you go gambling and you play my card, it makes you bankrupt, and that is pretty hard. Oh, 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 the Batman thinks he's got me, but he is wrong. Oh, 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 I'll get him bad, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, he
Todd.
can't read on my Joker face. He thinks he's the good guy. Can't read my, no, he can't read on my Joker face. But he's a freak like me. Joker face, Joker face. Ha 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 ha. Joker face, Joker face. Ha 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 ha. You wanna see a magic trick? Then come on near. What? The pencil goes down and your head here. I like to rob some banks and crash parties, and maybe kill one or two guys on the scene. Oh, 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 the Batman thinks he's got me, but he is wrong. Oh, 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 I'll get him bad, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, he can't read on my
Did Joaquin like peak the mics and they just kept that in for authenticity, or what was the what's the choice here?
Can't read on my Joker face, but he's a freak like me. Joker face, Joker face.
Sorry, that was a sneeze.
Ha 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 ha. Joker face, Joker face. Ha 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 ha. I will tell you that I'm a clown for your birthday party, but I will come and rob everyone for their money. Now you can't stop me or call the cops or yell for the bat, 'cause I'll be out of town in a snap just like that. Can't read my, no, he can't read on my Joker face.
Yeah, it's very, I mean, if the whole movie's like this, it's definitely, much artsier film than Joker 1.
A freak like me. Can't read my, no, he can't read on my
It's definitely going to be, maybe a credits darling, but I don't know if the crowd's going to get it.
Can't read my, no, he can't read on my Joker face. but he's a freak like me. Can't read my,
It's definitely a catchy song. I'm gonna be thinking about he's a freak like me.
Can't read my,
That's beautiful.
no, he can't read on my Joker face, but he's a freak like me. Joker face, Joker face, ha 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 ha. 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 Joker face,
Best original song of the year. I could see that. I could see that. All right, that was I think that was the trailer. Written, edited, sung by Joaquin. Miley Fan 1013. Well, maybe it's like an ARG situation, right? Like maybe it's like a, you know, maybe that this is like part of the movie. Was that the trailer? I think that was the trailer. I think that was it. That was good. I'll see that. Hey, as long as when I go to see the movie in theaters, okay? I go see Joker Part 2 in theaters. As long as the Joker does the part of the song, but he's a freak like me, I'm going to give that 5 stars on Letterboxd. I'm going to give that a high review on Letterboxd. How could I not? How could I not? This is the movie online name. Okay. They didn't change it, but Lady Gaga was originally going to be Miley Cyrus. Oh, so it's a little Easter. You know, it's like in the Flintstones. 1994 is the Flintstones, when Halle Berry's character is named Sharon Stone, because she was originally going to be played by Sharon Stone. But she wasn't. But they kept the name. So it's kind of like that. You know, hopefully this movie has more similarities to the Flintstones 1994. Hopefully John Goodman and Rick Moranis are in it. Hopefully there's like some animatronic dinosaurs. Hopefully there's like okay, I know this is supposed to be one of my favorite movies, but in my head, so there's the scene I remember Betty goes shopping, and in my head, what makes sense is that a dinosaur takes a giant shit everywhere. But also in my head, it's like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man explosion. So it looks like he just shoots cum everywhere. And I think neither of those things happen in that movie. You know, hopefully they pick up the slack on that with Joker 2. Hopefully there's a giant, you know what I'm thinking of? There's not a scene in that movie where a dinosaur takes a giant shit. There is a scene like that in the Flintstones porn parody. That's real. That's... Okay, we're going to move on from this now. Not that I've ever seen it. I saw the trailer. Well, that was the Joker 2 trailer, I think. One of those had to have been the actual Joker 2 trailer. That's all the videos Tyler sent me, so hopefully one of those was something. I don't know. What do you guys think? Are you guys going to go, after seeing the trailers, maybe one of those was real? You seeing Joker 2 or not? You in? You saying, you know, the full hand? I'm seeing the Joker, or are you saying, you know, I ain't laughing, I won't go see the Joker. Pre-ordering my tickets now, that's what we like to hear. Guys, I should have disclosed this. This is a sponsored segment. Hashtag ad. I should have disclosed that. Fuck. I'm saying if the other songs in Joker 2 are half as good as those, I'm in. Well, the audio maybe needs to be mixed a little better than some of those. But otherwise, I'm in. I think, you know, they got Joker, they got Harley, sometimes Batman, and that sounds cool. I'll see it. I got nothing else to do with my life. Well, that was Joker 2. Trailer reaction live. I guess we'll move on to Yellow Taxi Goes of Room now. VOD watchers, if you want to follow us over there, link will be on your screen here in a couple seconds. But live watchers, stick around. I'm going to throw it to a quick BRB, and then when I come back, we'll do Yellow Taxi Goes of Room. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.